Hey, what's up Android lovers? My name is Hitesh Kohli and welcome back to Developers Commute. In this series of videos, we're going to make a whole new app for my own portfolio. It's a simple water tracker app, and here are some of the goals, and hopefully we're going to start with from UI UX, from the brainstorming, and go to release it on Play Store. Hopefully you will learn a lot from it. Basically, I'm going to develop a native application in Jetpack Compose, and I'm pretty good with it. Let's see if we can create something out of the blue. This will be a built-in public kind of thing. Let's get started. Now, first of all, what my thinking was that I want to make the UI UX of, if you phase one, we have water tracker app, we have goals, ability to track water, ability to track days, water tips, water animations, settings to track your BMI. So this is what I'm thinking will be the phase one of this app. The phase two, I'll include a login and sign up. I will be storing the details with the help of Room. I think in the phase two, I think so I'll try to integrate app, right? The backend is a service kind of thing. I want to add one more thing. Here is notifications. Let's get started with the design. So first of all, I want to look at some other designs. Now the beautiful part is I'm going to be trying to integrate that water animation from iOS, and hopefully I can do that. For initial, I won't do that, and simply I would integrate a simple animation, and let's see where are there any simple animations. Let's try to see what Midjourney gives us. It gives us an interesting, a UI of a game type of thing. That's interesting. Like, can I create this thing in Jetpack? That would be super interesting, super difficult to create with the 3D thing. It is using a lot of natural aspects of this thing. This is a great tracking app. I really like the design of this thing. Looks cool, looks super cool. Would love to produce this. Looks like a an iOS app and like a Flutter app. Let's see if we can use some phones here. Can I use iPhone? No, we're just drawing this thing native. Let's see if we can create some gradients right here. Go to this particular screen. Should I implement bottom bar? Bottom bar would look cool. Let's do bottom bar. Let's not do this. Now I want to change the color of the bottom bar. First of all, this thing looks kind of weird, to be honest. An elevated kind of bottom bar. I've never seen this kind of thing being done in Jetpack Compose. It would be interesting to see. If I can do that, that'd be great. But if I'm not able to do that, I'll try to research about it. It's a really hard thing to do in Jetpack Compose, I guess. Now what I'm thinking right now is either I make some kind of an iceberg. Let's try to create an iceberg from here. And what we want to do right here is if we can create some kind of filling animation through this thing. Now, I don't particularly use a lot of Figma. I'm still learning Figma. There's a lot of things that we can use in Figma. Looks great. Okay, and I do not know how to create it. It would be tough to create this thing with canvas. If even I can create it, I'm fucking sick. Like, you can add 250 ml, and this will show you how much amount you have actually filled. Instead of doing that, I can do this thing right here, right? Looks kind of great. Does not look bad at all. And let's make it consistent enough. What I want to introduce here is, like, in my calendar, I kind of want to introduce some kind of chart, because it will be a 2-page application, not much. What I want to show is how many liters I drank today. Yeah, instead of producing a slash here, I just used this particular. This looks kind of interesting. Does not look bad at all. It isn't supposed to look like a button. Let's go here and get this thing out here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. And what I want one more is a splash screen. What I want is a splash screen, your intro, and some kind of onboarding screen which tells you what this app does. If it is just text everywhere, it becomes stressful, and usually people close the app if it's too much text until they like reading it. Usually people don't. That's why I like to include some kind of emojis and something in it. It makes them use the app more often. And one more thing that I want to add here is some kind of graph. The thing that I'm considering is, do we need to give, this calendar it? It's simple, guy, and it's done. Hopefully we'll start this developing in the next phase. And for now, this is it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we're going to do something different now. Thank you.